All right, today is Monday, July 11th, 2022. Let's take a look at the price action this morning on the NASDAQ using AbleTrend charts. It's a pretty quick sell-off right at the open, and then it kind of just bounced around from there. But as you can see over here on this 3-minute chart, very quick sell-off. And then, like I said, just kind of bounced around from there. So let's take a look at the 1, 2, 3 chart and the signals. So here's market open. Technically, as a sell signal, I decided to pass that one just because it was market open. You would have been short at 0.25, and that thing went all the way back up to 0.62. So pretty went against you pretty significantly there. I went short right here. That was my entry at, I think I was filled at 0.32.5. And I saw, we came up, tested this level, this 1-minute resistance level. So this was a valid sweet spot. Technically, sweet spot was right here at 0.50 when that bar closed because it was red oscillator. I wanted to wait a second longer and kind of get a downward bar, a bearish bar. So I was short at 0.32.5 and took my typical, especially at market open, 50 points. And this was just absolutely nuts. I hit that right there. And so I was literally in the trade for 2 minutes. Just crazy how fast this sold off this morning. Following AbleTrend's guidelines though, 0.32, you would have been moving your stop loss down. You would have put it 2 points above that bar, would not have gotten stopped out. You eventually would have been stopped out down here around 892 or so. If I zoom out a little bit more, a couple points above this bar, and yeah, you would have been stopped out somewhere around there. So that was about 140 points from entry here. If you rode this all the way down, about 140 points. And those were the two. I mean, that was the trade of the day. I just happened to have take a smaller piece out of it. It is what it is. When I have that 50-point profit target out there, it's bound to miss out on some of these longer trends. Wasn't much else in the morning hours. I stopped watching later on in the morning. I pretty much just stopped watching after that trade. I was done for the day. Technically, here's a trade long at 946 or so. That one didn't quite work out. I lost 15 or 20 points on that one. Another long here, and those weren't really working out. You see the 5-minute chart over here was red all morning long, and so we were kind of trying to go against this 5-minute, 15-minute chart here, where the trend was to the downside the whole morning. So pretty solid start to the week. Very quick trade, very quick sell off, and just got to follow the chart and take the signals as they present themselves.